90% of the women ages 40 to 65 do not know this game-changing secret for skincare. I guarantee you this is going to be something that you're going to be amazed by. Hello friends, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will subscribe. Let's get into the secret. Most women focus only on the outside, but true transformation starts inside. Let me introduce you to Neotonic. These are skin gut gummies. The root cause of skin aging actually ties back to your gut health. By improving your gut, you support younger looking skin from within. This is the Cavi Argan Firming Face Cream, an absolute powerhouse for topical anti-aging. And this one is my number one. If you want to take this to the next level, you need a full beauty and lifestyle upgrade. Loaded with matrixyl synthesis, vitamin C, and green tea, this cream is your skin's new best friend. If you want to take this to the next level, you need a full beauty and lifestyle upgrade. That is where the Glow Era 21-day transformation system comes in. Let's dive deeper into why the Neotonic Skin Gut Gummies are the absolute foundation of this entire routine. Your skin cellular turnover is directly controlled by your gut microbiome. As we age, our digestion slows down, and so does cell replacement. By taking these gummies, you are flooding your gut with 500 million units of extra strong bacteria and 9 potent natural ingredients. This naturally speeds up your cell turnover. I highly recommend clicking the link below to read the clinical studies on this skin-gut connection. Once your gut is balanced, your skin is ready to properly absorb topicals like the Cavi Argan Firming Cream. You never want to stop at your jawline. The matrixyl synthesis in this cream is a miracle worker for firming the delicate skin on your neck. Matrixyl synthesis literally rebuilds your skin network from the inside out. It signals your skin to produce 6 major components of the skin matrix. Combined with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and green tea, it creates an invisible shield against free radicals and environmental damage. I noticed a difference in the resilience and bounce of my skin within just the first week of using it. But skincare is only half the battle if your daily habits are working against you. That brings me back to the Glow Era 21-day transformation. Glow Era isn't just a product, it's a complete lifestyle reset. It gives you daily actionable steps for nutritional balance and mental clarity. It includes specific meal plans and antioxidant-rich recipes that support the supplements you're taking, creating a true synergy. When your energy levels stabilize, your cortisol drops, and your skin immediately reflects that peace. It's the ultimate beauty secret. If you're ready to take the 21-day challenge, make sure to share this video to your Facebook timeline so you can reference it later. Now, to accelerate that anti-aging process even further, we introduce the Seriskin Plump Peptide Supplement. Unlike standard collagen, which has large molecules that are hard to absorb, peptides are smaller chains of amino acids. Peptides act as little messengers, unlocking your skin cells and telling them to generate more collagen and elastin on their own. Taking this daily ensures that your body has the exact building blocks it needs to maintain that plump, youthful structure. It targets those fine lines and the hollow areas we get as we lose volume over the years. It is a game changer. To keep that volume locked in topically all day long, you need the Ma de Ganyo Galactomy Essence Mist Ultra. What I love about this is that it's not just for bare skin. You can mist this right over your makeup midday to instantly refresh your look. It contains 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. Why does that matter? The larger molecules sit on top to smooth the surface, while the smaller molecules penetrate deep down to hydrate the lower layers. When you pair it with their Bifida Biome Ampoule Toner, you are giving your skin barrier a massive dose of probiotics. Bifida ferment strengthens your skin's immunity. If you struggle with redness or irritation, this will calm it down instantly. I have noticed my skin is significantly less reactive to weather changes since I incorporated this biome toner. Speaking of reactive skin, let's talk about the ultimate sensitive skin savior, the Chando Himalaya line. The magic in this line comes from the Himalayan yeast extract, which survives in extreme high-altitude conditions. Because of this extreme resilience, the yeast extract is phenomenal at boosting your own cellular repair and regeneration. It goes to work on fine lines, loss of elasticity, and dullness, completely reviving tired skin. And the best part? It is formulated entirely without alcohol, artificial fragrance, or colorants. It is purely gentle, soothing repair. You wake up looking like you slept for 10 hours. So, how do we layer all of these incredible tools for maximum impact? Let me break down the routine. Addressing your gut and internal collagen production first thing sets the stage for the rest of the day. Step 1 happens in the morning. Start your day with water, your Neotonics gummy, and your Ceriskin peptide. Remember, putting liquid on a dry sponge doesn't work well. You want your skin slightly damp so the toner pulls that moisture deep into the layers. Step 2 is your topical prep. After cleansing, immediately apply the microbiome bifida toner to damp skin. You apply this to target your fine lines, allowing the Himalayan yeast to go to work repairing the damage. Step 3 is your treatment. This is where the Chando Himalaya cellular repair comes in. Step 4 is the seal. You lock it all in with the Cavi Argan Firming Face Cream. And finally, throughout the day, keep your Manyo Mist handy to keep that hydration level maxed out. If you follow this routine consistently, along with the Glow Era wellness guidelines, you will see a massive transformation. I'm talking about skin that acts like it did a decade ago. Plumper, firmer, and completely radiant. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the ingredients, look at the science of the gut-skin axis. When your internal environment is thriving, your external environment thrives. It is biological fact. I love seeing your comments on Instagram when you guys start trying these routines. The before and afters are wild. Make sure you tag me on Instagram when your Glow Era package arrives so I can hype you up. That's why finding this combination of internal peptides, gut support, and targeted topicals was such a game changer. I spent years buying serums that did nothing. I know the frustration of wasting money on empty promises. This isn't just a skincare routine. This is a comprehensive, age-defying strategy. If there is one thing you start with today, start with the internal support. Grab the Neotonics and the Ceriskin. Fix the foundation, and I promise you, every single face cream you use will work 10 times better. And don't forget to implement the wellness practices in the Glow Era system. Drink your water, eat your antioxidants, and see how your skin will transform. Beautiful skin is a reflection of a healthy, vibrant body. I am so passionate about this because I want every single one of you to look in the mirror and feel completely confident. You deserve to glow at any age, whether you are 35, 55, or 75. Again, all the links to every single product I mentioned are numbered in the description box below. Please make sure you only use those official links to avoid any counterfeit products. All right, friends, that is the complete masterclass on hyperplumping and internal anti-aging. I have another video right here where I deep dive into my favorite evening relaxation routines. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I love you all so much. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who loves skincare. Be happy, be healthy, and keep glowing. I will see you in my next video. Take care, my friends. Goodbye.